Hey, you want to be cool and save money like me? Then listen to what I have to say. Now, I don't want you to have a reputation of being easy, if you know what I mean. But easy is the way a lot of people have been going with their oatmeal. I know, oatmeal coolness, it all comes together. So, you go to your grocery store and you buy your pre-packaged, pre-flavored, almost pre-cooked oatmeal, and this is what you get. This is $3.49 or 8 packages of flavored oatmeal. Nice and fine, look at that. That's how it cooks fast, okay? But if you stroll around the corner of a decent, reputable grocery store, for the same $3.49, you can get 4.4 pounds at current prices of oatmeal. Yeah, that's like a year's worth of oatmeal. You'll be cool and not seeing any inflammation for a long time, because this buddy will help you get it done. So go with the bulk, add your own flavors in, reduce the sodium dramatically, and save money and be cool like me. Cooking oatmeal is so boring, I didn't even bother to videotape it. Just take a pot, medium heat, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of oatmeal, and a handful of raisins or dates if you like, and bring it to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, remove from the heat, put the lid on it, wait 20 to 25 minutes till all the moisture has disappeared, and your oatmeal is ready. Now, back to the cool dude. So we got our delicious oatmeal here. And then here are a variety of the toppings. We'll start from the back and move our way to the front. First, we got some strawberries, always good. Blueberries if you're a fan, I'm not, but my wife loves it. Raspberries, banana. And for those of you who use a banana, use the whole banana. Don't think that you can cut the banana in half and put the rest of it back. It just turns brown and nobody eats it. Cashews, raw, no salt. Sunflower seeds, raw, no salt. Walnut halves and whole pieces, raw, no salt. Almond slices, raw, no salt. These babies here, dark chocolate with almond inside. Nuts and dark chocolate are good for naturally reducing blood pressure. These are cranberries that are dried. Get the kind with no salt. You can look and see, the label will show them. These are neon gummy worms. I don't actually put them on oatmeal, but my kids will eat it. And of course our oatmeal. Great combinations. Now if you have a different combination, leave a note in the comments and let us know and share with the world what your favorite combination is.